Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Welcome to our demonstration on an incredible capability in the world of technology. In this video, I am going to show you how to control an Android phone from another phone from anywhere remotely, how to control an Android phone from a computer from anywhere remotely, how to access the data inside the Android mobile or computer from anywhere remotely, controlling one Android mobile device from another mobile and even from a laptop, file transfer between Android mobile devices and laptops. In today's interconnected world, the ability to remotely access and manage devices has become increasingly valuable, whether for troubleshooting, collaboration, or convenience. Today's fast-paced world, the need for seamless connectivity and efficient collaboration has never been greater. Join us as we dive into the realm of remote device management, where we'll explore how you can effortlessly control and transfer files between your Android phone to another Android phone or a laptop remotely with just a few clicks. Get ready to revolutionize the way you interact with your devices as we uncover the power of remote control and file transfer technology. No matter where you are in the world, get ready to witness the convenience and efficiency of remote access technology as we showcase how you can take full control of your devices and streamline your workflow. Let's dive in and discover the power of remote connectivity together. Please watch the full video and go step by step without skipping any step to make it work perfectly. For that, we need to download one application and do some settings on it. Go to the Play Store and type AirDroid. You can see the AirDroid app here. Download and install the app. Once install finished, open the app. You need to sign up here using your email ID and password. Enter your email ID and password, and put one nickname also. Click Sign Up. It will ask you to enter the verification code sent to your email now. Go to your email, check inbox. You can see the verification code. Enter that code here, click Verify and sign up. You can see it is successfully verified. Now just grant permission to access the files and continue. Allow access. Go back. Click Allow. Click OK. Now we have to enable the first four options here, which are camera, screen mirroring, and remote control. When you click Remote Control, it will show you an option to download and install Remote Control. Click Download and Install. then grant permission. For that, click on the AirDroid Control add-on. Enable this feature. Then go back. You can see the remote control enabled. That's it, guys. The first mobile is ready to go now. To control the first mobile, we'll go to the second mobile and download one app. Go to the Play Store and type Air Mirror. Then you can see this application. Install this application. Once installation is completed, open that app. Here, we need to sign in using the same email and password that we have used in the first mobile to sign up. Click Sign In and enter your email ID and password. Click Sign In. Sometimes it will ask to verify the device, as go to the email and verify the device. Then you can see the first mobile here. Click here. Now you can see the options to control the other mobile. Use camera, screen mirroring. To control the other mobile, click on Control. Here we go. Now see the mobile you can control from here. To log out, click this icon. Now controls are disconnected. If you want to use screen mirroring only, click on the screen mirroring option. Now we'll have a look at how to control the same mobile from a laptop remotely. Just open Chrome or any browser that you are using and type web.airdroid.com. Enter that same email ID and password and sign in. Here we go. It is connected. You can see the mobile details here. To access the files, you can go to the files and see the data inside the mobile. To control that mobile, just click on the control option. See, the mobile screen is showing here. Now we can control the mobile from this laptop. To log out, option is here. That's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please support us by giving a like to our videos and subscribing our channel. See you with another interesting video in the next episode.